I'm super excited for today because today's an actual, little event here. So in today's episode, Perry, as you guys know, he's my twin brother. He called me up and said, hey, they got crab over in Santa Cruz. So we're actually just got here. I'm gonna put some B-roll of him actually getting the crab right over here. Pretty awesome. So now that we have the crab, Perry doesn't know how to actually dispatch them or clean them properly. We usually do it a different way of just throwing them into boiling water. But in today's episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to clean the crab, crack the crab, and then also just go ahead and steam it. Stay with me, guys. You are not gonna wanna miss this. This is a great day. We've got crab. It's actually taken quite a while since we got crab, as you guys know, because of the whales that are in the bay. But now they're gone, and we can actually have some crab. So no one really knows how to properly dispatch them. I did a video in my Instagram on my profile on how to do it, but this one's going to be for the YouTube channel. So very, very easy. Should I just do like the live one? Yeah. We have a couple that have died, but that's okay. So okay. He ain't going anywhere. He's pretty good. All right, so let's do the second one. This one should go a little bit easier. There we go. And he's dead. Head. There you go. So it keeps it all whole. We just flick. And all the meat out. So that's a delicious looking one. I got the best cameraman right now, you guys. All right, 2 down. Now it's Perry's turn.
You got me on camera?
Got you on camera. Do you want to introduce yourself to the show? And
My name's Perry Bascom. I'm Ryan's brother, and we are here cooking live in Santa Cruz, California. Thank you.
all right, so
I don't know what I'm doing, so we'll see. So I'm doing the dead one.
okay, push harder. There you go. Awesome.
Harder than I thought it'd be.
Yeah, I know. He's a hard little guy. Just rip off the top.
Pretty good. And I use gloves. Smell like the ocean.
I know, they smell fresh. I mean, they were all moving by the time we went out there.
There you go. Oh, I missed that one. That's okay.
Perfect. So all that stuff. Nice little hard flick right on the outside. Perfect. Look at that. All the meat's out, perfectly clean. That's the way it goes. Let's take a look at that. Well, let's go get these crabs steamed up.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Go.
I need some help.
All right.
What do you need? This is Jack, you guys. Jack Bascom.
Hey.
So can you wave to the camera? You want to see the crab? Okay. Do you like crab, Jack? How much crab?
Ew.
Yeah.
Look at that. What is that red stuff?
That red stuff is its guts.
Oh my goodness, I can't wait. You guys, this sunset is awesome. Look at that. I mean, it can't be more perfect than that, right? So we're just in Santa Cruz at Perry's house. They just bought this house. It's a beautiful home. And yeah, I'm loving every time I come here.
So, is it red sourdough bread?
Dad,
Little pro tip. You want
Okay.
to get fresh sourdough bread?
Yeah.
Take the entire loaf, uncut.
Okay.
there's one more olive.
So good.
What's that gonna do?
It's gonna introduce moisture back in the bread.
So make it just like a fresh baked loaf.
Exactly. Leave there maybe like 10, 15 minutes. Fresh bread.
Very cool.
Turn on the gas, light it. So you can go low, you can go high. I like to start high first.
Are we gonna make the mustard mayonnaise?
Yeah, just yes.
Cool.
That and butter.
Awesome.
Crab toppings.
Okay.
1 butter.
Okay. So that'll get melted. So this next one is kind of brings back some memories, right? This is
Probably our family favorite.
this is our family favorite.
It
So
says mayonnaise. Our family would say mayonnaise.
mayonnaise. So French's yellow mustard,
That much.
just enough for just the essence of it, right?
Color.
Yep.
What it does. It's like a yellow little sheen. It's
perfect.
A little more.
Yeah, I'd say like a tablespoon or two for that.
Yeah.
All right, so bread's done.
So it's been about 10, 15 minutes.
Okay.
And now, if you look,
Just not too close to him, okay?
hard as a rock.
Oh, it's perfect. It's like a fresh baked loaf.
But this is gonna be like fresh bread.
You know, typically we go with about 1 crab per person because it usually gets a little competitive. How's the meat look?
Oh, Lindsay just texted us. Look what she made last night.
Check out this pizza I made.
Oh my God.
Brussels sprouts and pancetta, sausage, Parmesan cheese, and a bechamel sauce.
Wow.
And then our standard.
Look at that. So the whole Bascom family cooks, and that's the cool part is we always send each other videos, and it's awesome.
Let's send her a video.
We should send her a video.
Hey, Linz, that pizza looks really good. Ryan's over and with Patrick and Leanne. And we're making crab. After it's done,
Yep.
You're going potty? Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Are y'all done?
That's pretty good.
big fresh bread.
It's like frickin' fresh bread.
Fresh bread.
You just gonna slice it up?
Yep.
No, we don't bring my phone into that.
It's that parent life, you know?
Yeah, that's what you're
That would have been the ticket.
You're
to
in
a new
for.
phone.
I know, I'm in for it.
ready.
Look at that, it's all steamy. Nice.
Look, it's all gooey.
Wow.
Heaven.
It's pretty cool. Like almost rehydrates the bread.
Totally catch it. Really hydrates it.
And you rip off the top. You rip off the other part of the body. And then the knuckle. And then this part. So you have crab crackers, or you could just bite it. Just like that. Now,
Just use my hand.
look what happened. So this thing just came out, and then it's heaven. Yep. So you guys, look, another chunk. So this was a great video.
What are you?
If you guys are not subscribers, you're missing out. If you have subscribed, I really appreciate it. So Neil Perry, I saw your subscription. You're number 60, and Tess Middlebrook, you were number 61. So who's going to be number 62? And if we get to 100, I'm going to do something crazy and do a giveaway. Okay? So again, until the next episode, thank you guys.